to a new vlog. It's again a day in my life vlog. And today, as you could see, I didn't have any time to talk to you yet. Because here I am. It's currently, I think, I don't have a clock, but I think it's 3. Sorry, I just saw 3. It's 3 p.m. and we are heading to the movies, but we're gonna go to the city first because my sister has to return some packages and we need to get a gift for a friend, and then we're going to the movies, then we're coming back, and then we're going to Basel because the 1st of August is the National Is that? I forgot the name, but it's Swiss Day. It's the National Day of Switzerland. I don't even know what exactly they're throwing a feast for, but they throw a lot of fireworks into the sky, and me and my sister are gonna watch it. That's why I'm not mad. Have the party of your life. I'm okay with that. As you can tell, it was a busy day today. It's Wednesday, middle of the week, and it's my last week of vacation because next week it's going back to work. Woohoo! I even had to sing it into my imaginary microphone because it's a big thing. I went on a hot girl walk this morning. I went for 2 hours, I think, and it was so beautiful, but it was so hot. It was already 23 degrees and this is way too hot. For morning at 7 a.m, way too hot. Oh well, it was very nice. It was very refreshing and no one was outside, maybe because it was that hot, so well, yeah. Just a lot of people with their dogs. I saw a lot of dogs today. Cute. Love that. Then I came back home. We had breakfast, as you can tell. You were there. But yeah, I found out how to make my own matcha at home so that I really like it and it's amazing. I love it. So now my days start better than before, obviously. That's why I'm in such a good mood. And afterwards we just watched some Station 19 because the new episode came out today or on Monday?
Huh?
Station 19.
Monday.
Okay, it came out on Monday, but we had to do to fold laundry, and me and my sister always do that. When we have a bunch of laundry to fold, we put on a movie, a series, or anything, and then we just fold our laundry. So we did that, and we watched the new episode, and it was so heartbreaking. Seriously, if you want something to cry and you've already watched Grey's Anatomy like 1,000 times, go watch Station 19 because that's like the other half of Grey's Anatomy. The spin-off, but seriously, there are episodes where it ends in Station 19, but it goes on in Grey's Anatomy and the other way around, so do yourself a favor and watch it. So yeah, we watched that, and then we had to go get some water and some soy milk because it's empty and we didn't have any water anymore to put into the fridge, so yeah, we got little bottles and we came home. We ate lunch, and then, as you saw, I tried to stuff all my things into my... Is that a cupboard or a wardrobe? I don't know. Into that thing, you know. And then I took Robert, that is my what is Staubsauger? My vacuum. Hey! Damn! I vacuumed the top floor. Yeah, you can. Wow. But yeah, I vacuumed the top floor and I had to take a quick body shower because I was sweating so hard. And now I got changed. Because as I said, we are going to the movies. Beste. Hornisse, die unser Ding fliegt. Hornisse, die dann hier oben rumfliegt.
In dein Zimmer?
Nein. Die hier oben rumfliegt.
Ah ja. Das ist gerade ein Projekt.
So here I am. Back again. Me and insects, we are not doing great, okay? I saw flying around. I don't know, the big ones. The ones that are this big. How do we call that in English? I don't know. I will look it up and put it somewhere here. Or somewhere on the screen. I'm afraid of them. Now, to get back to where I was, we're going just to the movies. So I put on an oversized shirt. Wait, I need to get over there. And some jeans. I feel like a baby, but seriously, I'm fine with that because it's very comfortable and I can sweat as much as I want and nobody's gonna see it. I'm just having a, how do you call that? A sport bra underneath, so amazing. I love that. I'm hoping that some air can just pass through and cool me down, but yeah. I'm gonna open up the hair, I think, because I don't really want to, because with the hair, I seriously look like a baby. I do. So that's why I want to open them up, but when I was in the shower, I kind of got them wet, so that's not cool. I don't know if that will just not work out if I open them now, but oh, I look like a baby. But also kind of cute, right? I'm just gonna talk myself into it that I'm looking cute, and then this will work out, I guess. Yeah, I get my bag ready, and then we'll leave. I think I'm taking this bag, because she fits in a lot. Yeah, cute. Wonderful. If you are allergic to a lot of things, these... Oh, that's the wrong thing. Wait a second. Hold up. These 3 things gonna be your best friends over the whole summer. In my case, over the whole year, that's why we broke the whole time, because a package of those together cost 30 euros. I didn't want those allergies, okay? Give them to me for free. I didn't sign up for this. Oh, I lost my key again. Maybe I'll open up the hair when we're there, because right now, I don't know. But yeah. Let's go.
Kanisa?
I don't know.
Star?
I don't know.
I hope not. It's going on and it's...
Should we walk? Okay, let's move. back. It's 1:30 in the morning and it was so beautiful. Seriously, the whole vibe, the whole moment, it was so beautiful. I enjoyed it a lot. The bad thing, or like one thing that kind of made it a little sad and annoying, was that it was raining so heavy and there were thunderstorms and how do we call that, flashes and everything. That wasn't so cool, but well, we survived. We had a great time anyway, and also it cooled down a bit, so that's good too. I think I had quite the active day today and I kind of feel tired right now. I think I will just take off all of this, change into my pajamas and go to bed and maybe read a bit, because right now I'm so into my book that I can't go to sleep without reading for a bit. And I think it's good to calm down a little. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you had a fun day with me. And I hope to see you in the next video. Have a beautiful rest of your night, evening, morning, day, afternoon, whatever. Enjoy it and make the best out of it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.